Well, hello and welcome back to my channel. Y'all, I'm in my bathroom. I'm fixing to have company and I wanted to get my Walmart beauty box up before everybody got here. I got this, I've had it probably about, I don't know, probably a couple weeks, I guess, something like that. So, but anyhow, I want to get that up. And my shirt is, I'm running on coffee and dry shampoo, which is pretty much the truth. So, all right, y'all, let's get into this. The Walmart beauty box now is $5. It's a quarterly box, and you get some good stuff. Some of it's full size, some of it's samples, but you can't beat it for the price. I mean, it's just absolutely wonderful. And this is the summer box, I believe. And you also get a bunch of coupons and stuff too with it. All right, let's get into this, y'all. The first thing I got is a 3-day whitening boost kit. Whiter teeth in 3 days. It is the Rembrandt, and it looks like, y'all, it's the, which I just need these on my bottom teeth because I have veneers on the top. Let me find my scissors. So the veneers I got on top, my teeth used to be really bad, y'all, as far as being crooked and everything, and I got 2 crowns also. But I got the veneers on top, so they are the color they are. I just have to keep my bottom teeth white to match my top teeth. And I'm getting a notification there. But what this is the, it's the little, can you see? It's the whitening strips that you put on. And so what I'll do, I'll get 6 uses because I'm gonna put them just on my bottom teeth. So I also got a donkey milk skin gel mask. Seemed like I got one of those before, and I don't know if I've used it or not, y'all. I'm a little nervous about these masks because I'm afraid they're going to break me out. And then we have a gentle clean for hands and face, no harsh chemicals. These are Kleenex wet wipes, gentle clean, thick and soft. And it's just a little one. There's 8 in there. Let's see. I got a Garnier Whole Blends Gentle Shampoo. This is Oat Delicacy. It is the shampoo and the gentle conditioner. So, can you see? It's just the little squeezy packs. I got the Garnier Fructis Damaged Repairing Treatment. This is a 1-minute hair mask with papaya and extract. Right there. And then the Garnier Skin Active. This is made with rose water. Soothing. It's a moisturizer. So. And y'all, what I do, if I don't use a whole one of these, if I clip I'll clip the corner, and if I don't use it all, I will fold it over. And then I will get one of my like little bathroom cups or some kind of little cup and kind of fold it up and stand it up in there. And kind of hope, you know, that way it won't, because if I throw it over somewhere, it's going to leak out or run out or get in something else. And I just leave it sitting out on my counter and I remember to use it. So, but y'all, that's it. That is my Walmart beauty box. I've also got my BoxyCharm, and I've got a Sephora, and my empties is running over in the floor, so I have got to do something with that. So, but anyhow, thank y'all so much. I hope you are having a wonderful day, and God bless.